Hey everybody, welcome to another quick video here on the 67 Stang channel. I'm very excited to announce that we've hit over 200 subscribers on the channel. And I know in the grand scheme of YouTube, with folks that have 100,000, 200,000, a million subscribers, 200 doesn't seem like a lot. But to me, it's a pretty big accomplishment. So I'm very excited to have that happen. And to celebrate, I've got a couple of things going to happen. Now, if you watched the last video that was on doing the weather stripping on the trunk, I mentioned a discount code on our merch store. So I'm going to continue that through, like I said, the end of next month. So if you put in the discount code 200 subs, you'll get 10% off any of our merch. And that includes the new stuff that I just launched. I put together two graphics. They're very similar, but one is, I've called it Old Car Life. Vintage Car Life, and then the Circle of Old Car Life. So basically the idea that, you know, for those of us that are really into these old cars, we tend to dream about our cars and the parts we're going to get, and then we work to earn to buy the stuff for these, because it ain't cheap. And then, of course, we go buy the parts, and then we install the parts, and the circle continues. So just got those stood up here very recently in our store, so those will be included in that discount. Also, to celebrate this event, the 200 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway. So this is something new. I haven't done one of these before, so this should be interesting. But what I'm going to do is, from those that comment on this video, so you leave comments below, those that comment below will be entered into a chance to win something. So I'm going to give away 5 things. So first is going to be a t-shirt. So it can be a t-shirt similar to this one with this original logo that Andrew made for me, or it could be one of the other new logos, your choice. So that'll be one. Then we'll give away a coffee mug as well. Again, I think for the coffee mug, your choice will be, again, this logo, or this artwork, I should say, or I think the Circle of Old Car Life, or yeah, Circle of Old Car Life is the other option there. And then that's the 2, and then so the other 3 will be the die cut stickers of this artwork for you. So if you want to win something, just leave a comment in the description below, so that will enter, and then I'll draw randomly from all the comments that are left, and we'll do that drawing next week. So the week after this goes up, I'll do that drawing on the following Friday or Saturday, and then I will do another video announcing those winners. So leave your comments, let me know what you think. Comment could be very simple, or if you like what we're doing, you want to give me more tips or tricks, whatever. I don't really care what the comment is. Try to avoid profanity and stuff, I guess. I mean, I'm a former sailor and surveyor, so it doesn't really offend me. But anyway, I think you get the idea. I'm just very excited to have hit this 200 subscriber mark. And let me talk a little bit about what other videos we have coming up on the channel. So we're still waiting for the Sniper EFI. It's still on back order. So once it gets here, I will let y'all know, and we'll get started on that. Going to continue on some of the weather stripping. I've still got to do this weather stripping here on the door, as well as I've got this weather stripping right here that goes around the door to put on. So I've got that as well. Wow, you really see that pollen. I wasn't picking up the camera, but we've got pollen. Yay, pollen season. So got those to do on the car. I've still got some more work on the other side, getting it cleaned up, primed, painted, potentially using undercoating there. So I've got that. And I may be starting, depending on how long it takes for the EFI, start trying to work on some of this body work here and see what we're going to do there. So got a lot of things ahead of us that we're going to work on. So with that, I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you leave your comments, like and subscribe, all that kind of good stuff. And we'll see you next week when we announce the winners. So thanks. Y'all have a great one.